Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open our camera app. Inside you can select the photo mode, and here's a plant icon, click on that to enter macro mode. Now you can lift your phone and point the camera at the object you want to take a macro photo. So here's this plant. Make sure that your hands are stable with your phone so you don't move around, because the photo might appear blurry if you do so. Place your phone about 4 to 5 centimeters away from the object, and then when it's in focus, click on the shutter. This will make a photo, and here it is, a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.